Hello, my dear kids. I am back with a new class again. So, I hope you have already learned some new words that is called doing words. Now, before starting today's lesson regarding doing words, I need to explain you what are called the doing words. You already know this is a recall. Okay, so come, let's recall what are called the doing words. See, when we wake up in the morning till we go to sleep, we do lots of things, like we eat, we drink, we dance, we play, we sing, we read. These all are works that we do, right? So the things that we do in our everyday life, that are called doing words. There are another name of doing words also, and the name is action words. See, in this very name, the meaning also hidden here. Action. Action means to do something, to show something, right? So, doing word means also that is you are doing something, that is your action, your feelings, your emotions, like you are happy, you are sad, you love your mama, you love to eat. So these kind of things that we do every day, that we feel every day, that are called doing words, that are called action words. I hope you have understood it very nicely. So now come with me, let's do some other doing words and let's practice it with me. Okay, children, come. Now look at the very picture. Here in the above box, some words are given. So at first we will read the words. Then I will tell you what you will do. So come, let's read it. First, run. R-U-N, run. Second, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Third, skip. S-K-I-P, skip. Fourth, eat. E-A-T, eat. Fifth, read. R-E-A-D, read. And the last one is kick. K-I-C-K, kick. Okay, clear? Now see the picture. Here we can see four person. They are doing different kind of things, right? So you have to see the picture, then you have to recognize what they are doing. Okay, so the first one, the girl, what she is doing? She is eating something. So in the below box we can write eat. Okay, come to the second picture. The boy, what he is doing? He is kicking a ball, right? So the given box we can write kick. K-I-C-K. Come to the third picture. What the boy is doing again? Yes, the boy is brushing his teeth. So that given box we can write brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Now this is the second part of the first worksheet. See the picture again. What is the boy doing? He is skipping. So we will write here skip. S-K-I-P, skip. See the next picture. That is, yes, read. R-E-A-D, read. And the last one, you can guess it, I know. Yes, that is obviously run. R-U-N, run. Very good. So we have learned some doing words, right? And we see the pictures also. Now it's your turn to see another pictures and to write the name. At least try to do so. Okay, whatever you can do. And that time, if you are not able to do, your mom and dad will surely help you. Now this is a new interesting topic. This is matching. Left side we have some picture. right side we have some doing words. You need to understand the picture, recognize it, and to match with the doing words. So this is very easy and interesting. Come, let's see. See, in the first picture, the girl is clapping. Okay. So here, where the clapping is? Yes. Here, number 3. So it will match with number 1 picture. Okay. Now the second one. Here, a girl is cycling. So in the left corner, cycling is here. So we have to match it with the second picture. Now in the third picture, the girl is painting. So see, very beginning in the left side we have painting. So we have to match this side with number 3 picture. Right. Now see the fourth picture. Yes, here we have swimming. So see in the right side where swimming is? Yes, at the very end. Here is swimming. So we have to match it with the left side. Now see the next picture. They are playing. So see in the right hand where is playing? Yes, in the second one. So we have to match it. Next, the girl is, she is, what she is doing? Yes, she is writing something. So we have to match the last picture with writing. Very good. So, my dear children, I hope you have enjoyed today's class and you have learned many more doing words, right? Now you can recognize the doing words very easily. You can do it by yourself. You can apply it by yourself. And the more important thing, you will practice it, okay? So, let's take a rough copy and practice it and enlist some more doing words that we know, that we find in our daily life. Okay, children? Till then, enjoy your learning, enjoy your learning new things, and till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye, children. Have a very great day.